Okay, we're on a horse-drawn carriage here. Everybody's in here. We got our master driver here. I'm going along here with everybody. Got everything here. So there we go. Saying hi to all of us. Hello, hello. Waving everybody here.
Very nice.
Yeah, waving everybody here.
Welcome.
Yes.
Name?
My name is Ed.
My name?
Ed.
Yes, Abdul.
Abdul. Oh, my friend Abdul. Okay. Good buddy here. There we go. Horses are going along here. They're going. We got gas station up there. We got all my people out here. All my people. All my people here. Here we go. All my people. Hello, hello, my people. We're going to go out in traffic now. Horses are spunky horses here. We got spunky horses here. All right, going up here, coming back here again. Going up here and things, waving to the people here. Here we go. Waving to the people there. There's my peeps there. Hello. Oh, nobody waving. I don't get a wave here. All right. Got all the cabins here. Oh, another horse over there, waving to us over there. Waving. Hey, we got a wave there. All right. Good, we got a wave there. Okay. People are warming up to us here. We got people in the bus here. No, nobody's in there. We're coming through. That's right. This is spunky here. All right, here we go. Now we're in the open area here. We got all kind of room here. We're out of the traffic, coming down here, saying hi to all the people there. All the people coming there. It's getting late, it's getting dark here and everything. We got motorcycles going by here, zooming by us. Horses are used to all this here, so we're really doing good here. Okay, and we got them rolling right along here. So, and Abdul doing a good job here. We're all doing good here. We got people in back of us here too. So they're all around us and back up here and everything. Got a little traffic circle here. Yeah, there we go. Taking it up here now. Taking it up a notch here now. Okay. Oh, there's waterfalls and mall. Ahmed, is this the new city? Is this the new city? Oh, okay. Nice hotels along this stretch here. They got all the nice places here, really swank places. We're not in swank, we're in the Riad. This is the old style there, whatever. Okay, here we go. So going down here, still checking out my peeps here. Peeps, all right. Okay, there we go. A little. Shops down here, restaurants, everything here. Still on the horse. Here. Getting dark though. Getting cold also there. Pizzeria snack, alright. I got pizzeria snack there. Okay. We gotta navigate another traffic circle here, and this all is traffic. Horses getting a little excited with all these cars here. Right. Oh la la. Oh la la. Yeah. Oh la la. There we go. We'll settle down now here. There we go. We got Ahmed in the back there. He's giving directions to us. Okay. Oh no. All right, I got my stick on here, but I don't want to get them riled up here or anything.
Right.
No, I gotta have the
No,
camera
you
here.
say
No, this is good. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Sutran.
Which one did you go to? For the terrace, this one or the second one?
This one up there, I think. Yeah, there were steps here, right in here. You go up the steps.
Because with the one you get to see the other part of the
Yeah, you can see down there.